So we've been absolutely delighted to work with Ortho Clinical Diagnostics. They're a well-established life sciences company here in Wales at the forefront of international R&D to support COVID efforts.
Here in Pencoed we have over 500 employees. We supply various test solutions to hospitals, blood banks and clinical laboratories all over the world. In response to the pandemic, we've produced two different tests. The first test looks for an acute or recent infection. The second test looks for a past infection. Both of them looking for antibodies in the system. When we produced the tests, the first people that we contacted was the Life Science Hub. The reason being is that they've got strong links with ourselves and all of the life science community, and they can really help us and give us advice of how to take these tests forward into the Welsh community.
We are part of the infrastructure that is manufacturing and supplying antibody tests that will be used all over the world and hopefully supporting us to move out of lockdown and keep our citizens safe.
Every company would say that people are their greatest asset, but in this instance, people really have made this happen. We are proud of them, and we're also proud as a company to play our part in fighting this pandemic.